reason why I waited for the collection drop is because I was scrolling through their pieces that they were releasing and it was aesthetically designed. I like how it looked. Neutral tones, very earthy, very minimal. It is unique. I was just taking a chance on it. I managed to get two pieces, which is the white tennis skirt and the woman's dress in dark obsidian. It's my first time purchasing JACQUEMUS. However, so in total, I spent around close to 900 on these two items. Do you think it's worth the money or not? Comment down below. If any of you out there managed to get other pieces, comment down below and share with me. So now that we have unboxed, let's talk about the packaging. Not so impressed with how it looks like when you receive them. I expect it to be in a nicer packaging, like it's JACQUEMUS linen bag. I love the logo in the gold detail matching with the brown straps, which is adjustable. I like the strappy detail as it is JACQUEMUS' signature design, and I like how the brand is subtly seen.
Many unbearable hours later.
Oh my god, guys, you had no idea. It's been, I don't know, it took so long for me to fit into this dress. I normally wear S, so it's really not friendly for those who are a bit more curvy like me. I have a curvier bottom. It doesn't have a zip and it's not detachable. It's really ridiculous. It can't fit in. See? How am I gonna fit? How? Wait. Do I have to do gymnastics for this? I can't. Guys! It's impossible to fit. I mean, it's really nice. I did wear the top separately. I couldn't fit a bottom and it was really fitting, but my boobs were like suffocating as well. So.
A few moments later.
I'm back again. So as you can see, yeah, I have to wear it like this. You can see it's attached and I can fit the top and the bottom separately, right? So as you can see, it's really nice fitting. But unfortunately, I cannot fit it together unless I cut it. But again, what's the use if I cut this? Right, it has actually a very nice fabric to it. I like the color, the V shape. Right, I like this detail. It has a very nice, it shows the nice neckline. So yeah, that's my review.